Welcome to my YouTube channel Som's Corner. Today I just owned one ASUS laptop and I thought that I should share the unboxing process of this ASUS laptop. So let's get started here. You can see here is the box, well packed inside a cartoon box. So I have already torn it out, these edges, so that you can open it properly. So if it is not already broken, the seals are already not broken, then take one sharp knife or one sharp key then just turn out all the seals. Both sides you will get one seal. And for your information, I bought this laptop from my local shops, not from online. So here is the process of unboxing. So you can see it's a very nice branded ASUS laptop. I will share the configuration later in my next video. I will show you the process of the unboxing. So pick this up, this laptop, and will show you what are the items available with the box. So here you can see there is one user manual is given, and one HDD kit is given over here. So what's the HDD kit all about? I will show you up. Let's check for some more items, because one you will get one charging adapter over here. So very nice. You can see it's a very lightweight adapter, as well as that this laptop. Friends, for your information, like the model that I have bought is ASUS X509JA EJ592T. The configuration is it's 512GB SSD hard disk drive with 8GB RAM. So apart from that, I was saying that I will show you guys what's this HDD kit all about. So inside in this laptop there is one extra slot given for extra hard disk drive. So if you want to increase your hard disk drive capacity, then you can use this HDD kit given along with this box. So all process are mentioned over here in back cover. Yeah, here you can see there is one data and power cable with this hard disk drive is given with a case, a rubber case. We'll show you up quickly. Here you can see, here are the items that I am showing you up, that you will be getting inside this box when you will be unboxing it. So there are 4 items: one brand new laptop, one HDD kit, one user manual, and one power adapter. Thank you for watching this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Som's Corner once again. So I will share with you the review of this laptop. I've been using this laptop since couple of weeks. Then I will show you what the hardware features it has, and how it is performing since last 2 weeks. So if I come to the performance, it's awesome, since it has 512GB SSD hard disk and 8GB RAM. And the processor it has, you can see, it's Intel Core i5 10th generation. So speed and performance, it's all fine. So apart from that, you can see the keyboards, it is little uplifted. The typing experience is awesome for me. Touchpad, the gestures are all fine. Left click and right clicks are all fine, no issue. So only I found that left click and right clicks are it is little soft over here. Those clicks pads are very soft. So only just you have to refrain with that hard press. You just refrain from pressing this hard way. Just feather touch is okay to click left and right. And there is one biometric logging button is here given, so you can use it for fingerprint logging. I will show you guys the ports available with this laptop. First, let's check the left hand side. The first port is USB 3.1, this one. The second is HDMI port. So these are ventilator. This is also USB, this one USB 3.1, but this is Type C port, USB 3.1 Type C, and this one is power jack. Let's check in the right hand side. Yeah, this one is the security slot. These two, there are two USB 2.0 slots are given. This one is microphone or headphone jack. This is a micro SD slot, and these are indicator. In the back side, the ventilators are given here. So this is a kind of unique thing. You will not see those kind of ventilator in sides, in left side, right sides, and up sides, and even in the back also ventilators are given. So these things really keeps this laptop very cool, even if you are doing some gaming or doing some software development or showing some media, movies and all. To the sound quality, you can see these are speakers given in both sides. So sound quality of this laptop is awesome. I will show you up. Yeah. So here you can hear the quality of sound system. It's awesome. To its display. So display quality is all fine. It comes with IPS panel with nano edge display. If you compare with some other manufacturer like HP, Lenovo, it's a little bit different. Like if you want me to rate it out from display perspective, then I will rate this 3.5 and I will rate HP and Lenovo 4. So display is more than average, but it's all good for daily to daily uses. To its durability, guys, like from durability perspective, I can say it is like average, because it's a very lightweight. If you compare with the laptops from other manufacturers like HP and Lenovo, they will see they are very hardy, but this Asus one is very lightweight, and the body is made with is not made with metals. That's why it is very lightweight, and you have to handle it very carefully. So hope you guys have enjoyed my video, the reviews that I have given. So out of 5, that I will give this laptop 4. Yeah, that's the rating that I am giving, and that's the review that I have given. So you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks.